Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a very useful topic. We will learn how to apply for the 5-year Vietnam Visa Exemption Certificate. This certificate is a great option for many. It allows for multiple entries into Vietnam over a long period. Let's get started. First, understanding who qualifies is key. This 5-year exemption is typically for people of Vietnamese origin. It also applies to spouses and children of Vietnamese citizens. Foreigners with close ties to Vietnam might also be eligible. This is not a traditional visa. It is a visa exemption certificate. It lets you enter Vietnam without needing a visa for 5 years. However, each stay is usually limited to 90 days. You will need to exit and re-enter, or apply for an extension, if you wish to stay longer than 90 days at a time. Now, let's talk about the necessary documents. You will need your valid passport. Make sure it has at least 6 months of validity beyond the 5-year exemption period. So, effectively, you need about 5.5 years of passport validity. You also need recent passport-sized photos. An application form, usually called an A9, must be filled out completely. Crucially, you need proof of your eligibility. This could be an old Vietnamese passport. It might be a birth certificate showing Vietnamese origin. A marriage certificate to a Vietnamese citizen works. Or a birth certificate of a child with a Vietnamese parent. Other documents like household registration or proof of foreign residency might also be required. Gather all these carefully. Once you have your documents, you can apply. You can submit your application at a Vietnamese embassy or consulate in your country. If you are already in Vietnam on another visa, you can apply at the immigration department. The process involves submitting your forms and documents. You will pay a fee. Then, you wait for your certificate to be processed. This can take some time, so plan ahead. Once approved, you can collect your 5-year visa exemption certificate. Remember, while it's valid for 5 years, always check current entry requirements before traveling. Rules can change. This certificate simplifies travel greatly for eligible individuals. It offers peace of mind for frequent visitors. Thank you for watching this guide. I hope this information helps you secure your 5-year Vietnam visa exemption. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to support the channel for more useful travel tips. Safe travels!